What's happening, guys? We are back with another video, on this YouTube channel, Nas Assassins. This is our trading channel, guys. I know it's been a while since we posted, but yeah, we are back 2022, trying to make this money. And yeah, man, I know it's been a while since we posted, but yeah, we're going to get this year no matter what. Even though we had like a pretty rough start, but yeah, man, we are back on the charts. I hope you guys had a fantastic 2021, but 2022, man, it's a new year. It's a new month, January, going to Feb, and we are definitely going to kill the market this year, guys. And we're gonna try our best to upload every day. I know last year, we were not so consistent with posting videos that that will help your trading and all that. But yeah, man, this year is gonna be different. This year we're gonna put a lot of stuff, guys. We're gonna put a whole lot of stuff. It's gonna be a great year. I have a feeling it's gonna be a great year. So yeah, man, as you know, guys, my name is KB, one of the Nas Assassins members. There's 3 members, actually there's 4, but the 4th member, he's still the student, but then he's I think there's a video that's gonna come up soon, where he's gonna be introducing himself and how it is to work with Nas Assassins, how it's been, how the program has been, how the mentorship has been. And then yeah, man, but today it's not about that. Today I'm just gonna jump into the charts and check what's been happening, because I've been slacking, to be honest. I haven't been checking the markets in a while. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are doing okay, man. I miss you so much. Without wasting any time, let's just go and jump into the market. Boom. Yeah, now we are on our monitor, guys. I'm at my very favorite place in this apartment. This is actually my favorite place, guys, to be at. When I'm here, it's even emotional. I feel so happy when I'm in this place. I'm at peace because I'm doing what I love. And yeah, man, so this is the most enjoyable space in this house, guys. And I haven't been here in a while. The last time I was here, I think it was December. Even this year, January, it was just a little bit. But yeah, I think today I'm fully in. I'm just gonna check what has been happening with the market, especially the indices, but I'm only gonna check Nasdaq100, because that's the most traded instrument on our channel. If you haven't checked our channel, just make sure you click in the description below, the link in the description below, and then check our Telegram channel and check how we approach trades, the signals that we post and all of that, man. Yeah, so today is just gonna be a quick analysis, right? I'm just gonna check the Nas100, what has been doing from this year, what has been happening, But since I've opened this chart, I can see that the Nasdaq has been dropping. It's just been retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, nothing else. So we're just gonna check why is Nasdaq moving this way, through technical analysis, obviously, because I know the Nasdaq, it's affected by most tech companies in the US. That's why it's called the Nas100, because it represents 100 top companies in the US. Your Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, Tesla, and all, and etc. So we're just gonna go through this and see what has been happening. But yeah, man, this is crazy. I see a lot of people who have been trading, especially who have been selling this thing. They've been making a whole lot of money. So let's just dive into it and see what has been happening. Guys, I'm not gonna have a problem with my mouse again. This is 2022. I can't be struggling with the mouse. Just like on our previous videos that we we posted last year. You know, I've been struggling with the mouse. But anyway, enough about the mouse. Woo! So when I look at this thing, last year it has been going up like crazy. You know, it's been going up like crazy. You know, so first thing that you do, you identify your trend. You know, you check what has been happening. As you guys can see, this thing has been going up. You know, it has been going up, like it has been showing no sign of going down. You know, from a very long time ago. You know, but we're gonna focus on like a current price. But let me just tell you a little bit of secret, right? This is very important, guys. This is very, very important, especially on buying Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is a buying market, right? So if you see a trend like this, when Nasdaq is going up like this, and you just draw a trend line like this, and then, you know, forget about levels for now. This is just a basic thing to do, right? So you will see the Nasdaq. Let's just draw this here, right? So if you can check here, right, the Nasdaq will go up, right, and then come down to create like a double bottom, and then after creating a double bottom, it will go up and create a new high, right? Same thing happens here, right? Even though this double bottom is not that clear, you know, let me just move to a 4 hour. I think on the 4 hour chart it will be a little bit clearer. So if you guys can check here, double bottom, bam, went up, right? Came back, double bottom, went up, right? Came back to the trend, double bottom, bam, new high, right? Double bottom, bam, new high, double bottom, bam, new high, right? So this is how you approach the Nasdaq if it's trending up. You wait, guys. You know, being patient is very important. You wait for that double bottom on the trend line, or that support. You know, you wait, you be patient, and then the rest will be history. You know, it's very life changing. You know, I'll try this year, you know, because I'm really big on patience, guys. So this year I'll try to really emphasize, you know, the art of being patient in our videos. You know, I think I have to make a video based on that, you know, so that I can explain and try to, you know, show people how patience can change your trading. You know, because if you can be patient on trading, like, you can actually tackle anything in life, right? So let's just draw a resistant trend line and see what has been happening. So yeah, man, as you can see, NAS has been going up, right? So if we focus, let me just try and zoom this. If we focus here on the current prices, right, you know, I can see a double bottom, I can see a double top, rather. You know, I can clearly see a double top. If you guys see a double, I know most of you guys saw this double top, right? I know it's not clearer here on the 4 hour, but if you can go to the daily, you can see it clearly. You know, you can actually see it clearly. There is it here, right? Oh man, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. You know, this is art, guys. You know, I always tell my peers that, you know, if you are a trader and can be able to focus and be able to analyze on how the price can do next, you know, what's gonna happen next, you're actually an artist. You know, you are Picasso, you know, not really Picasso, but then you're one of the artists. You know, this is art, guys, because you can be able to see where price is going. You know, all these lines, you know, this is just art. So on the daily chart, you can see there's a double bottom here, there's a double top, rather, right? You remember what I said? when the price goes down and touch the support trend line, right, on the uptrend, it will create a double bottom before it goes up on the Nasdaq. You know, I'm not making this stuff up, guys. This is just repetition. This is what has been happening. You know, it has been happening. You know, let's switch to the 4 hours so that you guys can see clearly. You know, this stuff has been happening. You know, if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, it's been happening, guys. So it's all about repetition and being patient for this type of moves, and then you just jump in and then you make money. That's it. You know, trading, it's you know, I think it's whose quote is it? I think it's Warren Buffett when he says trading, it's all about it's the rich, or let me just say it's the people who are patient taking money from the impatient. You know, this is just about it. You know, if you're not patient, you know, you're gonna lose money, and then if you're patient, you're gonna make money from the people who are impatient, right? So it's very important that you become patient. So on the support, as I was saying, on the support, on the uptrend, you wait for double bottom, you buy, you hold, right? And then on the resistance, for you to sell, you wait for a double top and then you sell, right? Especially if you see these patterns on the higher time frame. You know, that's where you get, you know, a clearer confirmation, and that's where you'll be able to sell the market and actually make some money. You know, it's that simple, guys. Let's not complicate this thing and try to, you know, use broader language and all that, but it's very easy. You know, it's very easy. You sell high in a sell zone, you know, you buy low on a buy zone, right? It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. You know, it's an easy concept. You know, you just have to deal with your psychology, and then the rest is history. So yeah, man, let me just try to remove this trend and see what's happening currently, what we can look for next week on the Nasdaq100. You know, but as you can see, let me just try to zoom it in. As you can see, the market is trending down. You know, the market is trending down. Let's just take our trend line and just put it here, right? And then I can see a little bit of support here, support and resistance. You know, support and resistance. You know, so we expect the market to try. You know, we expect the market to try and come back here, create another double bottom, or we can just call it a triple bottom, and then I'll show you why I'm saying it will probably come back to these levels. I think it's about 14,100. Yeah, so that's why I'm expecting this instrument to go, right? Geez, this is a very, very, very good trade, guys. It's been going down. So with buys here, you can take a short term. Sorry about that. You can take a short term buy, you know, given this information here, because if you can see here, there's a little bit of information here that tells us why the market actually U-turned a little bit here. You know, this here is telling us something. So you can actually take a short-term buy, and then you take your profits. You take your profits here. This can be your take profits 1, and then your take profit 2 can be here on the double bottom, on the double top rather. But it's not advisable, guys, to buy on a downtrend, you know, unless if there's a strong level that held, and then you can actually buy. But I'm seeing this thing continuing going down, and yeah, man, nothing really interesting in terms of buys. But you know, if you have a good account, you can actually wait for next week, and then you take your sales. You take your sales and hold, you know, and just secure your profits, you know. So as I said on this video, we're not really you know, going in depth in terms of analysis. We're just checking how the Nasdaq has been doing this year, since from January. And as you can see, this thing has been falling, you know, people have been making money. And yeah, man, I hope next week we'll catch up. You know, there's always opportunities in the market. There's always money to be made for everyone, you know. In this market, you don't really need a piece of cake, you know, like when sorry about that, guys, I have a little bit of fever. So yeah, man, you know, when they say you don't need, sorry about that, you don't need, you know, we don't need a slice, you know. You just need, you know, like when you cut a cake, right, and then some little bit of cream on the knife, you know, you just need that, you just need that cream, you know. You don't even need a piece of cake for you to make a whole lot of money, you know. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys are having a good year so far, you know. I know it's January, people are paying bills, you know, they're paying their debt, some are going back to school. So yeah, man, but just find time, you know, the advice for today, just find time to invest in stocks, invest in forex, invest in cryptocurrency. You know, that's where I'll be going this year. You know, that's the route that I'll be taking on cryptocurrency. You know, there's also money to be made there. So yeah, man, just invest, just take risk, just take risk and see what's gonna happen. Because imagine you don't take risk and then in 10 years time you regret, you know, and whatever that you were supposed to risk on, and now it's booming, it's making other people money, or else you also could have made money on that particular investment. So let's take risk, guys. It's not like we're gonna get out alive in this life, right? We all gonna die, so let's just take risk for now, you know, and just enjoy, man. This is just a game, and it's good that it's a game where you can make money. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. You know, don't forget to check out our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to share this video, share our channel, and make sure you spread the word for everyone who's interested in, you know, and on joining this forex industry. As I said, guys, there's a whole lot of money to be made. I didn't want to make this video this long, but yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm out.